Here we have one cast iron body off a Fiat Dino gearbox, which was very rusty. Some witnesses to the rust. I think somehow water has got into this gearbox, maybe that they've steam cleaned it when they first got it 10 years ago. Okay, that's cast iron.
Okay, hang on. Righto.
Back cover off the same gearbox. There we go.
Just a bit more. Turn it around.
Still dirty. Insides, that's some of the rust, of course, that was some of the rust of the gearbox.
Just hold it. Alright. Just turn it around.
I was just trying to show them the slave cylinder.
Okay.
Just right.
Alright, just put it down with the other stuff.
Here's some of the crud that was inside it. Right.
Alright, just
under.
put it down with the other bits.
Okay. Third gear. Plenty of rust. It also has 7 broken teeth. The rust was much worse on the gearbox, but after pulling it to pieces, since some of the gears rotated, some of the rust has come off. Right?
Okay.
That's reverse idler, just to show. The rust was sort of like this all throughout. Right?
Just turn it around.
That'll do, I think. It's
Book.
right, okay.
And okay. Just a second. Okay.
You're right?
Yep.
Okay. This is the cluster gear, reverse. Reverse. See the rust? It's pretty deep. Also, 5th gear here on the cluster is also got a lot of rust. That's that one.
Hang on, just put. And again, say it again.
5th gear. If the oil had been drained out of this gearbox, we wouldn't have had any problems. Can you see the rust through there or not? Yeah. Okay. 1st gear is probably one of the best ones in the gearbox, but it still does have quite a bit of, and I think when they're wire brushed you'll still have little dints of where the rust has been. How's that? 2nd gear. Second gear also has 3 broken teeth along here. These little ones here. There's 1, 2, 3 missing. Right, is that it?
Yep.
The cluster had the most rust because it sits in the bottom of the gearbox, and that's where most of the water was. Now the rust was very, very thick, but unfortunately, in dismantling the gearbox, when I was undoing this nut with the impact gun, so it was very tight, most of the gears did rotate and the rust has come off. But if you look at this here, and along here for 2nd gear, and along there. So here it's very, very nice, juicy rust. Okay, that's about it. That's it? Don't worry about it.